you don't know. All right, y'all, got a new package in today. Another one for the 636. Although this one's I've been waiting for over a month now. I'm actually a little disappointed on how long it took to get here, but I'm not sure if they painted per order or what the deal is, but I'm about to open it up and check out the condition, check out the color and everything with you guys firsthand, first sight. So obviously we got a big old box right here, and we're about to check out this color. So there's our black windscreen that I asked for. Cool. And let's see if I can find the first painted. Oh, look at that. It even came with a... This is smoked. Wait. Oh, that's not a windscreen. This is the rear fairing piece. That's the windscreen. Dummy. Let's see if I can pull out a small piece. I guess I'll just do this piece right here, right now. All right, let me cut this tape and then we will unwrap it. All right, moment of truth. I have yet to look, and we're about to flip this thing and find out. We're stuck. There we go. And voila. Sheesh. So we went with the same color as the 500. Real dark purple. And then you look at it certain angles, it is copper. So it's like a burgundy, purple, copper, chameleon. This is gonna look sick. Definitely looking forward to it. Yeah, there's some of that copper right here. Oh yeah. So before we even install this though, I need to ceramic coat it. Luckily I have some left over, and yeah, pretty stoked about it. Changed color of this whole bike. Look, here we go. We got a 636 piece and the 500. So yeah, look at, they're gonna be twins, yo. That's gonna be sick. That's gonna be sick. Damn, setting up ceramic coat, and then we got this bug that just flew into the web. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Yeah, get him, Spider, get him. Come on, Spidey. All right. Before we get to ceramic coating all these parts, I still haven't opened up everything, but based off the 3 pieces I've opened, quality is A1. So I want to give a huge shout out to Kings Motorcycle Fairings. They've been working with me, and customer service has been on point. Literally, I email them and they email me right back within less than 24 hours. So they've been a really good company so far. So far, quality of the pieces and the paint and everything seems pretty freaking good for the money. As you see, it's the color we went with, chameleon, purple to copper. I have yet to see really like any dirts and debris. Don't mind the fingerprints. But I've only opened up a couple pieces. I mean, I've seen one little dirt, but man, look at the shine on that. So, huge shout out, Kings Motorcycle Fairings. I do have a discount code for you guys. It's BSmothers20. That's gonna give you guys $20 off whatever you order, whether it's fairings, clothing, gloves, helmets, whatever they got. I'll put the link in the description, code in the description, and like I said, huge shout out to these guys. So I say let's get to unwrapping, and then we have to spray everything down with alcohol, and then time to ceramic coat, and then strip this baby down. All right, so I gotta say this color is freaking insane. First things first, I mean, look at it. So if this color doesn't look familiar to you, my Ninja 500 is the same exact color. If you look, it goes copper to purple. And then you look, same color down here. So these two are gonna be twinning. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Can't wait. So time to strap up, gloves on, ceramic coat ready. This is just some like Amazon advanced graphene ceramic coating. I mean, it's a nice little kit though. I think I paid like 30 bucks for it. I'm not sure how long it lasts, but it does work because I did coat that bike and it washed up really easily. I even coated the wife's bike when we did the fairing kit on that, and water beads right off. So time to get to coating and uninstall this OEM kit and replace it. All right, we got everything wiped down with, what is this, 98%, 97% alcohol. Everything's looking really good. I didn't see very many flaws. And time to get the ceramic coat on. What I'm gonna do is coat one piece, or coat two pieces, and then go back, wipe it off, just to make time go by faster. Plus, you're supposed to let it sit for like a good 30 seconds to a minute. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, it's officially like 2:30 in the morning. I want to say I started this at midnight, so it's taking a little longer than I anticipated, but everything's coated, looking good. I did get the seat cowl on, and man, it looks good. So it's time to start busting this down. I might as well just time lapse it. Obviously, we all know motorcycles are just held by these little push pins. And literally just a bunch of little fairing bolts like this. I'm not gonna go into super detail on how to remove fairings from a ZX6R. It's common sense stuff. It's just like a big puzzle. So I guess I'm gonna time lapse you guys and let's get to it. All right, y'all, I'm sweating. It's 3:30 in the morning, and I think I'm done. I'm about to go shower, hit the sack. Got a busy day tomorrow, so yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Sorry. This is where she stands. I might throw the tank cover on, but I don't know. I want to go shower and just relax. So yeah, we got it all tore down, and looks like a naked bike. We're ready for the new fairings. All right, so haven't recorded putting stuff on, just like how I didn't record taking stuff off. It's pretty simple, straightforward stuff, nuts and bolts, bunch of clips, nothing too crazy. But I will say, fit and finish and quality, everything about this kit has been A1. I really can't say anything bad about Kings Motorcycle Fairings. I mean, like, look at this gap. So that's from me. Unfortunately, I had to try to squeeze it in there so there's a lip that goes underneath. But anyways, like, look at that gap. Everything is just so nice. I mean, the fit and finish, like, gap. Nice. Clear coat, looks like it's been buffed out. I mean, like, look at the shine. I cannot complain. Everything has been fitting so well. Straightforward. You know how fairing kits can be. I mean, there's been no modifying, no adjusting, no nothing. Everything's been direct bolt on. The most difficult part is swapping over all the stuff from the fairings
I don't know what bike is which bike anymore.
to the new fairings. So that's the most difficult part of everything, but otherwise everything's pretty straightforward. I guess it's time to just finish up this side and yeah, wrap it up.
Just fix it. Look at it and fix it.
Are we almost done?
It's not tight enough.
For real?
I don't know why it came off.
You're almost getting it. Is that almost one of the last screws? I hope. You don't know?
Oh man!
I've done that before.
True mechanic.